8175. The CG range in single-rotor helicopters is A. Much greater than for airplanes. B. Approximately the same as the CG range for airplanes. C. More restricted than for airplanes. The correct answer is C. In single-rotor helicopters, the CG range is more restricted than for airplanes due to the need to maintain proper balance and stability during flight. This is because helicopters rely on the CG location to maintain stability, control, and maneuverability in all phases of flight. 8176. The amount of fuel used for computing empty weight and corresponding CG is A. Empty fuel tanks. B. Unusable fuel. C. The amount of fuel necessary for 1 divided by 2 hours of operation. The correct answer is A. When calculating the empty weight and corresponding CG, center of gravity, the fuel tanks must be completely empty. This ensures that the weight and balance calculations are accurate and based on the true empty weight of the aircraft. 8177. An aircraft as loaded weighs 4,954 pounds at a CG of plus 30.5 inches. The CG range is plus 32.0 inches to plus 42.1 inches. Find the minimum weight of the ballast necessary to bring the CG within the CG range. The ballast arm is plus 162 inches. A. 61.98 pounds. B. 30.58 pounds. C. 57.16 pounds. The correct answer is C. This aircraft CG is 1.5 inches outside the allowable range. CG is at station 30.5 of the fuselage, and the forward station 32.0 marks the CG limit. The empty weight of the aircraft must be multiplied by the distance. The CG must be shifted before being divided by the distance between the ballast site and the intended CG location in order to get the amount of ballast that must be connected at fuselage station 162. Weight of the batter is 4,954 multiplied by 1.5 162 minus 32 equals 57.16 pounds. The empty weight CG will be transferred to fuselage station 32.0 by attaching a 57.16 pound ballast at fuselage station 162. 8178. As weighed, the total empty weight of an aircraft is 5,862 pounds with a moment of 885,957. However, when the aircraft was weighed, 20 pounds of potable water were on board at plus 84, and 23 pounds of hydraulic fluid are in a tank located at plus 101. What is the empty weight CG of the aircraft? A. 150.700. B. 151.700. C. 151.365. The correct answer is C. Based on the information provided, we can calculate the empty weight CG of the aircraft using the formula. Empty weight CG equals empty weight moment plus potable water moment plus hydraulic fluid moment divided by empty weight plus potable water weight plus hydraulic fluid weight. Plugging in the values given, we get empty weight CG equals 885,957 plus 2084 plus 23101 divided by 5,862 plus 20 plus 23. Empty weight CG equals 151.365. Therefore, the empty weight CG of the aircraft is 151.365. 8179. Two boxes which weigh 10 pounds and 5 pounds are placed in an airplane so that their distances aft from the CG are 4 feet and 2 feet, respectively. How far forward of the CG should a third box, weighing 20 pounds, be placed so that the CG will not be changed? A. 3 feet. B. 2.5 feet. C. 8 feet. The correct answer is B. To keep the CG unchanged, The forward moment of the third box must equal the aft moments of the first two boxes. Aft moment equals 10 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2 equals 40 plus 10 equals 50 pound-feet. For the 20-pound box, 20 multiplied by D3 equals 50. D3 equals 50 divided by 20 equals 2.5 feet. Therefore, the third box should be placed 2.5 feet forward of the CG.